Hi, in this lecture we are going to create this model what we are having over here. So this is a kind of part design. So we are going to use features like shaft and rib, like those tools we are going to see here. So first of all, go to start and create a new part. So once the file opened up, so we are going to create the revolute or the shaft tool. We are going to use it here, and we are going to create this cross section which you are going to see here. Okay, this complete future what we are having over here that we are going to develop. So for that reason, go to select a plane and then click on sketch option. So once it come normal, so create a center line. So just for reference purpose we are doing that. So click on infinite length and convert that into standard element and place it on the origin. So same way we have to create it vertical also and place it on the origin. So once both has been placed, then we have to create a rough shape. Then we are going to convert that into a solid. Okay, so we have created the rough complete dimension from the rough sketch what we are having, what we have done. So now you can click on exit, then we have to revolve it. So just go to shaft option and then choose the axis as this vertical. So complete 360 degree we have to create it. So this is the shape. First we have to create it for complete 360 degree. So then inside the circles and then this extra projections one by one we will handle it. First of all, what we will do, we will create that circles, that is what you are seeing over here inside. So for that, as you can notice, it is lying from the space and it is coming 8 mm upward direction. So for that reason, what I'll do, I'll go outside, then from there we will create the sketch. So as you can notice, the center is lying at 28 mm offset. So we will create one direction. The another part what we are having, we will do it in a mirror way. So this one what you are having, this outside diameter we have to create it. So inside is 5. So the thickness is going to be 1.2. So then click on exit, then click on pad. So pad you have to do it in reverse direction, and thickness is going to be 8. So once this has been created, next step is we have to create this solid. Then we can connect this with the rib tool that we will develop. So for creating that, as you can notice, this is at 66 mm offset. So that means from here we have to make a new plane in distance of 33. Then there we have to create the cross section. The cross section is going to be like this, so that you can see clearly over here. So we have to develop that. So next step what we have to do is we have to, this is the total width. So for that, before what we have to do, we have to mirror this complete object. So now give your total width, it is 15 mm. So then it is going to come at a height of 8. So click on exit, then click on pad. As you can notice, it needs to be created in the reverse direction, and maybe you can choose up to surface, then select the surface and click OK. So now what we have to do, we have to remove the material that what you are seeing inside. So we made a small mistake here. This pad what we are having, this is outer itself, it is diameter 5. So create it accordingly. Then make an update now. So now this is the right value. So now we can remove the cutout, we can remove the material. So same thing, go and select the particular plane and fit all in, then click on project. So next go for pocket and same thing, click on up to surface, then select the surface, then click OK. So this is how the cutout has to be done. So that has completed now. So next step, what we have to do, we have to create that rib feature. So for doing that, so we can choose this face and then we will create the sketch on top of it. So what you have to do, you have to just connect line, create line, that is more than enough. So click on line command, so exactly from here to here, then same thing from there to here. So without giving dimension also it will come. So now what you can do, you can go to this option called stiffener, and then towards downside it need to be created, and thickness is going to be 1.2, mutually it need to be connected. So automatically you can notice it's connected like that. So next step, what we have to do, we have to do the mirror. So first what we have to do, we have to mirror this pad, this one, pocket and stiffener. So select all and then go to mirror option. So some of the future it is not going to come, so that is fine. Then we will choose the center plane and then I'll click OK. So automatically now the mirror has been completed with all the features. So now what we have to do, we have to remove that material because it is a full depth. So what I'll do, maybe I'll choose the top face and I'll click on sketch option and just select this project, and the other side also, instead of mirroring and all, select that and project it, then click on exit, then go for pocket and keep it up to last, then click OK. So this is the future, or this is the complete model what you are seeing over here. We have been created with all the dimensions, everything properly created it out. I think we have to create one more sketch that we have forgot to do it. So this 8 we have created, this 15 what we have to do, that we have to make it. So for that, let me just edit a little. So it is going to be like this. So then give your dimension and constraint. So width is going to be same 1.2. Then from here to the middle, it is going to be same that 7.5. So either you can just use coincident with the top, that is more than enough. So now you can just simply trim it out. So now click on exit. Now update it. Okay, so this is fine, but inside this stiffener we don't require, so that we have to remove it. So that we will just change it through this. Now make an update again. Okay, so exactly the shape what we are having over here, it has been created now.